Hey, hello what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create a bouncing animation project. If you want to successfully done this project, please keep watching my video and enjoy here. Let's start my today's coding and here, and I have already created a basic structure, HTML basic structure, and this is a CSS link. This is a CSS link, and in body I will create a div class, div, only div, not class, and ul, and I will create li close, and li copy, and 7 time I will li class, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and one more. That's enough for HTML file. Now go to CSS file, and in here definitely I will write star margin 0, padding will be 0, and I will write div class height will be 100 vs. Let me check my display flex, and justify content center, justify content center. Let me take, oh, my ul is running, sorry, li is running here, and div ul display flex, and justify content center, and one more type, uh, align item will be center. Let me check, and let's see my ul is running, and after that I will write div ul li class. In here white will be 50 pixel, and height will be 50 pixel, and background color black. Let me take my, oh, perfectly working my uh, li class, and after that list style non margin 0 and 10 pixel. Let me check. Oh, perfectly work my like glass, and border radius 50%. Oh, Perfect my li bouncing ball, not li bouncing ball. And I will create animation right now. Animation bio bouncing on second linear infinity and at the rate frame keyframes bouncing 0%, after that 50%, after that and 100%. Let's go my 0% transform translate 0 and transform translate y, copy in here and here. I will create it minus 150 pixel. After that again I will paste here. Let's see my animation. Oh, perfectly animation is working. So I need a border bottom. Let's check where is ul. Definitely ul. I will border bottom 5 pixel solid black. Let's say, oh, perfect. I will definitely work it now. So ULLI NTHCHILD CHILD on. Let's check animation delay. I will create animation delay. Delay will be 0.1 second. Let's check. Oh, this animation delay is working, and I will create a background color. Color will be yellow. Let's check here. Oh, perfect. And I will copy and create. I will second child and 0 point and green. Let me check. Oh, perfect. And 5 more time I will copy paste 1 2 3 4 and 5, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 5 second, 6 and 6 second, and one more 7 second, 7 second, and green, blue and red and gray, pink, and one more white. Let me check, but my white color not showing, and I will create a background image div class ground background image url dot jpg. Let me check. Oh, perfectly working. My background image and background size 100% and 100%. Let me check. Oh, perfect, but li I will create hash hash hash. Oh, perfectly not 5 pixel, 10 pixel I will create. Oh, perfectly working. And I will some dark background image linear gradient. Point 5. Oh, sorry, RGB. RGBA, comma RGBA 0.5 here and comma here. Oh, perfect. So bouncing ball is perfectly complete in this project. So if you choose this project, please like and subscribe. Definitely thanks for watching my video. Take care yourself.